Top 4 home decor and artifact stores to visit in Hyderabad other than IKEA. Purple Turtle. For both antique and contemporary lovers, Purple Turtle excels at making lighting choices to brighten up your space. These handmade lights crafted from materials like bamboo and rattan stands out. And I also find a wide variety of furniture, artifacts, tableware, art, wall decor and much more. La Muse. Modern art lovers, listen up. La Muse exclusively offers unique wall art and decor pieces. Their chessboard reminiscent of Harry Potter is a true gem. Beautiful lightweight sculptures, tiny toys and unique decor makes it a perfect destination for one-of-a-kind gifts. Yellow Veranda. Vintage lovers, this one's for you. Yellow Veranda is a luxury homeware boutique that creates and curates handmade, eco-conscious, natural, sustainable, cruelty-free and zero carbon footprint decor and lifestyle products. They collaborate with talented local artisans, craftsmen and craft communities, embracing Indian heritage, mythology and festivals. Specializing in old wooden furniture, each piece tells a story reminiscent of antique petty or a storage box. Good Earth. If you are in search of handcrafted decor that makes a lasting statement, look no further. Good Earth offers everything from scented candles to antique brass, model elements to traditional fabric, self-care products and much more. They not only preserve Indian tradition but also empower local artists. Explore the embroidered Kanta Bandhani, patchwork cushions, throws, pillows and bed sheets filled with cultural motifs and manuscripts. What's your go-to spot for home decor in Hyderabad? Is it on this list or did I miss a hidden gem? Share below and follow Salman Surfs for more such contents.